how to save Snapchat photos to your gallery. Now let's get started. First of all, launch the Snapchat application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your Snapchat account. And from here, navigate to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon. Now again, tap on the gear icon from the top right corner. Once you land in your settings page, scroll down a bit and under Privacy Control, you will find an option as Memories. Tap on that. Now under this Memories section, there on the Save Destination, tap on Save button. From there, select the second option, that is Memories and Camera Roll. Once you have that option, now go back. Here, take a snap, and once you save it by tapping on the Save button from the bottom left corner, this snap will be saved in your Snapchat memories as well as to your gallery. Now if you go back and check your gallery, this snap will be there in your gallery. So that's how you save Snapchat photos to your gallery. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.